Salamat po. Dito, sino pa dito? Tapos na ako kay, The Amazing. Amazing! Energetic, full watch na, oh. This is the second video from you, okay? I watch. Wow, so. +1 ito, ha, Josh? +1. Oh, what? Sis Chris Peach. Ayan, also, Santana. Santana, I'm watching you here. Asa na to? Nahuma na siguro. I'm done already. Ay, break time daw. Sabi ng aking cellphone. Ayan, I'm still watching on you, ha? Hey, Grace. Ayan, Grace. Ayan, Santana. Oh, Miss Santana. Hey. Oh, I'm not finished yet to your video. Ayan, The Amazing. Followers na ako sa'yo. 2 video. +1. The Amazing Energetic Joshua. +1 to you, Joshua. Okay? Joshua, this is Amazing Energetic Joshua. Joy Salim, shout out. Ayan, full watch na, full watch, Josh. Si Chris Pitts din. Anuhan ko din si Chris Pitts. Chris Pitts, +1 sisi. +1. And here, I'm feeding my pits watching you here. Okay? +1 sis. Dito naman, si Barbie Vlogs. Tapos na si Miss Barbie. Maybe this time. Wow, nice voice. And connect Gracie Mom. La 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 la. La, nakaduhan ako ka oras, guys. Ayan. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat, guys. Thank you so much. Barbie Vlogs. Ayan, followers na ako, Miss Barbie Vlogs. Thank you so much, Gracie, from Sis Crispy. You're welcome, Sisi. Nag-plus ko dito ako, playing ako dito sa'yo. Sis Crispy, ha, ayan o, nagpapakain ka ng mga alaga mo. Sir, everything, dito pa rin ako, ha. Ayan, si James, merong si James bago. James Salims. Highlights. Dito tayo sa highlights si James. James, 29 likes na. James, 169 yan si James. Playing James. Ayan guys, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Dito na watch ko na kayo guys. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Dito na lang po ang ating live stream for today. Ang ating live stream. Next time naman ulit tayo. Salamat host. Ayan, welcome sisi. Salamat din sa iyo mga patusok, extra patusok dyan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat din po. Thank you so much. Di ko na kayo maisa-isa, magpapaalam na po ako. Maraming salamat po sa iyo mga effort sa pag-stay at suporta. Thank you so much and keep safe everyone and God bless us all. Ayan, thank you guys. Princess Giselle, thank you so much for your support always. Mwah, to all of you. Mercy everything. Thank you, Sis Joy. Sis Jo Vlog TV, thank you so much. Sis Chris Peach. Ayan, Mercy everything, thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ma'am Hinuka, thank you. Bye-bye. Good night, everyone. Good night and good morning, Filipinas. Magandang hapon and good afternoon to all of you. Wherever you go, keep safe always. Bye! Ma'am Hinuka, bye! Thank you. Na-play ko na kayo lahat, ha? Bye, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it po. Tika mo.